Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Neva Classic Design. Pleasure to have you joining me today. For my project today, I'll be making a side table for my daughter's room. So I'll be using 3 of these baskets that I got from the Dollar Tree. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna spray it gold. I'm gonna spray one of them gold because I'm gonna use 3 of them, so I'm gonna spray one of them gold. Also, I'll be using a pie pan. This is a pie pan from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using 2 of them. So what I did, I needed it in gold, so I'd gone ahead and sprayed gold also. So I have 2 pie pan. I will be using some acrylic gem from the Dollar Tree, but I need them to be in gold, so I spray painted it in gold. So I'll be using this metallic spray that I got from Home Depot to spray. So I did go ahead and did a spray job on them, getting them in gold because I needed it, the side table to be black and gold. I'm also going to be using my hot gun, my E6000, and then maybe I'm going to put some of this gold bling, maybe. We will see. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I also have this candle holder that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll go ahead and spray paint it because this is going to be the base so that it doesn't move, it stays still, and it can take the pressure. So first I'm going to glue my basket to my candle holder. I'm going to be putting some E6000 on here. I need it to be very strong so I can put lamps on it. E6000, but the E6000 is very strong and I want it to be firm. I'm also gonna give it some hot glue because I want it to hold right now. Just putting it to the edge because I'm gonna let it sit in the candle holder. All right, press down on it so that get it in the center also, so it covers the candle holder. Remember to get rid of the excess glue because in the end it's gonna be just sticking out. Right now I'm gonna put one of my gold pie pan. Gonna put it here, and I'm gonna put this one like on here. That's the height that I want it to be. So that's gonna be our setup. So let's glue it together. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe so that you can see everything that I'm doing. If you already subscribed, I do thank you, appreciate you. And I use some of the E6000, also the hot glue to put. Hot glue all the way around because the hot glue is gonna put it in place right away, and then overnight, or E6000 will work its magic and seal it so that it is very strong. Now I'm gonna put my second basket on top of this. Get it down just like that. I'm gonna use some E6000 and some hot glue to the rim of the basket, because it's the rim that you want to catch this time, because we're going to put the acrylic gemstone to the side of the inside of the pie pan that we have on there. Okay, we're gonna take some hot glue to keep it in place. And every time you run off, I think most of the glue to dry for me. I'm gonna put the top of the side table on. All right, okay, so now I'm gonna add the acrylic gems to the side, basically cover where I joined my baskets together, and also to give it that elegant look. Use a little bit of the hot glue because it's gonna be showing on the inside, so you gotta be very careful. And here is the final look. Put some on the top. The lamp is gonna go right in there. I think it looks beautiful. Tell me in the comment box, comment and let me know how it's looking, because I think I'll be doing more of them, like in different colors. Thank you for watching another one of my projects. Have a blessed day. Appreciate